Pam.
You want to go in the camera?
I'm a camera hog.
Say hi.
Hi, Hannah.
Ready, look. Melissa, turn around. Look, you're being filmed.
Watch baby. Hi. Put it back up.
Show his mom.
Thanks for getting killed.
Sure. You need to
Oh, yeah,
erase.
she said.
You need to erase.
I know. Do you have another one?
Another what?
Chocolate.
Mr. Eddie has it for his baseball card. He's playing with his baseball cards on it.
No. She said.
I said he could.
Get out of
Hi. What's he doing upside down?
Look, you won't even smile.
You gotta smile. Let's not let anybody in. Wait, get out for a minute.
You're going to make the house fall down. Keep banging on the walls.
Get from out.
Scooby, what's the matter?
Never mind, stay in.
Pulling his hair.
Now the babies can't get in.
Say hi, Cameron. Cameron. Say hi. Hi, you. What you looking for in there?
Baby's had to do it. Baby's had to do
Hi, Morgan.
No.
What you doing? He's trying to figure out what that is.
Oh, Scooby, give him a kiss.
She's ticklish.
Got you.
Tell me.
I'm a camera hog.
Logus Limo.
Longest.
It says Logus.
Lucas just can't figure out how to get into that bag.
What's he doing?
Trying to get a Beanie Baby.
What? Trying to get Beanie Baby?
He can't figure it out.
That? Melissa's?
Chris.
Oh, what is that?
Oh, go ahead. You can open it for him, Melissa.
Look at all them toys.
Oh, boy.
It's like I can't choose.
Oh, he wants to put them back now. Hello, baby. Hello. What you doing?
Don't let them wait on you.
It's raining moose and lobster.
Careful. My goodness, boy. What's that, clouds? Smoke? Flowers? What?
A moose.
A moose? Oh, is that his antlers? Oh, yeah, he's cute. Yeah.
That's because I'm an artist.
Okay.
Yeah. Which one do you want? Which one do you want? You want chocolate?
Somebody got a cough. I see you.
What do you want?
Oh.
What? I got Kira.
No, I wanted to do something with it.
Look at my picture that I made. Look at
Don't know her name. Kara.
Huh?
Let me get him. Let me get the baby. He likes to crawl under the desk.
The fat babies.
Fat
Lucas! Before I went on Jenny Craig. After! Go stand over there, Melissa. Go stand in front of the, yeah, right there. Hold on.
Turn it over, and she'll see what
Craphead.
she looks.
Dog!
You just want to kill yourself. Melissa, go in there! Come back. You want to do an Ultra Slim Fast?
Huh?
You want to do Ultra Slim Fast?
Yeah.
Before she went on Ultra Slim Fast, Melissa weighed 275 pounds. After 2 days, she weighed 3!
I don't say.
You want to see? Go over there.
Oh,
Can you see
do
me?
it to me! Do it to me!
I can't. I have to look like this. Okay.
Lucas! Got
Before
a
you
surprise!
I don't see my. What's that? There, no. I'm in front of it.
Are you fat?
Hush.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
Skinny?
a second. Lucas,
Oh, there's a smiley face.
come here.
Fat.
I'm fat.
Skinny. Get away from the camera. Step away from the camera. Wee wee wee. Skin. Wait a minute. Which one are you? Skinny. Fat. Fat.
Skinny.
Skinny. Look at Melissa. She's a dork. Look, isn't this cool?
No. No.
Cartoon.
We're gonna slide.
Do 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 do.
What's this? Come on. Come on, Genesis. Come on. Come on. Back up. Back up. Come here, Francis.
What?
Take this one. Watch out!
What's it? Come on.
And why'd you got a wrap?
Rabbit!
Pick up the rabbit. Why'd you let this horse out?
Damn it!
Get in the car. See, it's not fun, is it? That's Ginger up there, and she is full of it.
Vacuuming? Cleaning? Turn it off.
Are you a ham? Huh? Here comes another ham. There's Melissa and Chucky.
I'm going next. Down.
No, I'd rather them just walk.
Is my drink here?
I didn't get your cup. You can go in and get one if you want. Yeah, the cupboard's fine. Or the drawer. What's the matter, Melissa? You got itchy? Yeah. Hey, no hanging on the tent, please. Morgan, peekaboo, I see you. What you doing?